Alright, I wanted to give an update on everything that's mounted up. This is mounted up. Had to change out a fitting. This is the main fitting that came with it and the main hose. I ran the hose through here and up through, actually there was a little spot through here, and I just ran it through that little hole. And it's easier if you take your headlight off and mount the compressor inside here. There was a plate that kind of looked like for a battery, like a smaller battery, probably for an LS or something that takes a smaller battery. But anyhow, I just took that same bracket, and I don't know if you can see, I drilled a few holes, ran the ground to the other, you're gonna be able to see it, the bracket on the other side, or the mount on the other side, has the ground bolted to it. And then the pads right here, those come with the kit. It's just a rubber thing that has a pre-drilled hole for the bolts. It actually works out pretty good. I think this is a little less than a 2-gallon tank, air tank. Maybe it was a 1.5 gallons. Anyhow, it's not a very big tank. So anyhow, it's holding pressure at the moment. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, see if it leaks off and starts the pressure again. I just honked the horn and it is loud. So I'll give an update later on the next video of the horn operating, because it's kind of late and the kids are asleep. So anyhow, I ran the positive up here, up in here, and then I just ran the positive wire through this mount, as you can tell down through there. Like, everything's still apart. I wanted to show everybody what it looked like. So this positive comes through here, through this bracket. I did some soldering work, then I just got it coming up, and there was actually a extra spot on my battery to mount the cable, so I just mounted it there. But yeah, there's a fuse that came with the kit, and I plugged the fuse in and compressor kicked right on and good to go. So everything is just lacking finishing. So anywho, that's where we're at right now. This is a 4-horn, I don't even know, Coocheer. My girlfriend ordered it off Amazon, and yeah, this is how I mounted it up on my 2014 Chevy Silverado. I've seen other people and how they mount them in the back of the truck and stuff. I figured I wanted to try to keep everything out of the elements as much as possible, like road debris and stuff, so I figured mounting it under the hood would be a little bit better. So yeah, that's where we're at. My next video, I'll have everything finished up and show you what it sounds like.